This product will save you time and avoid frustration when securing a vehicle to your rollback or flatbed. The AW Direct magnetic axle strap is like having an extra hand that holds the ends together for you, making it much easier and quicker to attach a tie-down strap or snap hook into the Delta rings. I'm Elle Rottinghouse. In this Zips 360 feature of the day, let's dive into what makes this magnetic axle strap so innovative and easy to use. This is an exclusive patented axle strap that has built-in magnets that hold the Delta rings together, making it easier to hook into, especially when you're in a position where it's difficult to reach. This makes it a great tool to use as a tie-down around the axle, through the rim, or as a secondary safety attachment. Each strap is 2 inches wide and has a working load limit of 3,300 pounds. It's available in 4 different lengths: 20, 22, 24, or 36 inches. The webbing is reflective with finished edges to resist abrasion and has a PVV coating to protect against chemicals, dirt, water, and UV rays. The wear pad offers extra protection when you need to secure a toe around the car's frame or suspension part, where using a steel chain might cause damage. This feature is much appreciated when looping through the rims of higher-end vehicles. Shop for these axle straps and more under Towing Straps and Chains at zips.com.